Hello students, today we have to discuss the chapter like inflation. So what is inflation? Inflation means what? It's a important cause for the country economy status, the development of country. That's why today now inflation reduces the purchasing power of currency, which leads to increase in the prices of goods and services over time. So here two things are there. One is purchasing power, another is prices of goods. So purchasing power of currency reduces, prices of goods uh, increases. So here to see this link is there. One is reduces here, another is increases here. In the sense, purchasing power when reduces, at the same time the price of the goods will be increases. When a person is not interested to purchase any product, when the prices of that product will be uh, goes on rise. So that the two things are there in inflation. One is purchasing power of currency reduces of the people when the price of the goods and services will be rise, and it depend upon time, some specific time, over a time. Not that you can't say that in always the prices of the product will be more and the purchasing power of the people will be less. No, you can't say always. It is some specific time. It may be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 1 month, 2 month. In just in that way the pricing, purchasing power of the public will be reduced and the pricing of the goods will be increases. So now the inflation rate is the percentage of increase or decrease in price during specified period. Usually specified period in the sense what? The percentage rate that I am already said over a time. So that is specified period. So percentage increase or decrease in the price during specified period, usually a month or a year. It consists of specified period, consists of month or a year. So the percentage tells how quickly the prices rose during a period. In that period in the sense in that month, that year, within that period tells you that how quickly the price will be rose in a specified goods. That is your inflation. Now come to, if inflation will be there and it will be impactable to the country's economic development, then what are the causes beyond that? For which, in the sense, for which reason the inflation will be created in the country? So the first reason is your primary causes. You see, primary causes here. In any modern economy, when the demand for a commodity exceeds its supply, demand for a commodity exceeds its supply. So two things are there that we already discussed in the demand chapter. Demand for a commodity exceeds its supply, then the exceeds demand pushes the prices up. In the sense, suppose we take an example for the demand for a commodity exceeds its supply. How demand for a commodity exceeds its supply? We have to take an example here. How demand for a commodity exceeds its supply and the prices will be rose up. You see, suppose a company, you can say a mobile company. Take an example, mobile company. Okay, a mobile company cost is your fixed. Suppose a particular product cost is 5,000. Its cost is 5,000, right? A mobile company produces mobile and its cost is 5,000. But what happen in the market? Suppose the particular moment of time, particular period, the mobile will be demanded more, and that is to be 200 piece daily basis. 200 pieces daily basis the market demanded. But the company maximum capacity to produce that mobile is suppose 150 pieces, right? So here market demand is 200 pieces, but the company structure, if the company has to utilize the maximum efficiency of the